Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to link threads to Instagram. So first, if you want to download these threads on your mobile device, all you need to do is go to your Google Play Store if you're using Android, or if you're using iOS device, you can go to the App Store. Now from here, all you need to do is find that application. So you just use the search box right here and find threads, and you'll finally see this app right here. So you just need to download and install this application. Now once you've done, tap on open. Well, actually, you don't need to do anything to link threads to Instagram, because it is by default that the threads is actually linked to your Instagram account. Because when you actually sign up your threads app, when you go back to that Play Store, and then you can just look at this picture right here. Here is the first page. When you sign up your account here on Threads, or log in first on your Threads, so you can see log in with Instagram, saying that your Instagram app is already linked to your Threads. So all of your stuff from Instagram, your profile, your bio, is already linked to your Threads app. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.